Hi, I am Rashad, and I am introducing you to TopDown, Azerbaijan's first online wholesale platform. Today, wholesalers still handle orders manually, writing everything by hand. This takes time and leads to mistakes. With TopDown, that era is over. Wholesalers can create their virtual store in just a few minutes, share catalogs via QR code, link, or social media, and receive orders anytime and from anywhere. We're currently in the MVP stage. Our core revenue stream is monthly subscription from sellers. Our target, over 5,000 local wholesale business. Next, we are integrating B2B and B2C delivery and preparing to enter international markets. But TopDown isn't just for wholesalers. Any seller who wants to create their own online store and manage orders easily and serve customers digitally can join our platform. TopDown's mission is to build a unique online ecosystem that meets every business need of wholesalers and entrepreneurs, from product to payment to logistics. Thanks to watching us.